Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, fellow foodies, to the wonderful world of cooking quail meat. This isn't just another poultry. It's a lean, delicate choice, offering a uniquely mild and slightly earthy flavor profile that's truly special. One of its best features is how quickly it cooks, often in under 15 minutes, which is fantastic for busy evenings. Preparing quail is a surprisingly simple and rewarding experience, and we'll show you exactly how. Preparing your quail is quite easy. If your quail is frozen, let it thaw slowly in the refrigerator, ideally overnight. Once ready, give each bird a quick rinse under cold water. Then, this is important, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This ensures that delicious, crispy skin. For seasoning, a good sprinkle of salt and fresh pepper is essential. Feel free to add dried herbs like thyme or rosemary to enhance their natural flavors. Quail cooks quickly, so choose your method. Pan searing is fantastic. A hot skillet and a few minutes per side yield crispy skin and tender meat. Roasting in the oven gives you even cooking, and you can baste with pan juices for extra flavor. Or, for a lovely smoky taste, grill them over medium heat, turning often. Remember, they cook very fast, usually under 15 minutes, so keep a close eye on them to prevent overcooking. The most important tip for perfect quail is to never overcook it. It cooks incredibly fast, often in just minutes, so keep a very close watch. Overcooked quail quickly becomes dry and tough. Once cooked, always let the quail rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and tender. Quail's delicate flavor truly shines when paired with bright, fresh ingredients, such as a squeeze of lemon or some fresh berries. Serving quail is all about complementing its delicate flavor. Think light, fresh side dishes. A simple green salad with a vinaigrette works beautifully, or perhaps some roasted asparagus or wild rice. Arrange the quail nicely on your plate, maybe garnish with fresh herbs, and present it with pride. You've now created a truly special meal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces or glazes next time you cook this delightful bird.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.